I will show you step by step how to run DeepSeek R1 locally using Ollama. This is what the final result will look like. You can interact with DeepSeek R1 inside your terminal, and based on the question you ask it, you will now see its thought process, and at the very bottom, you can see its response. So to start, go to this link here and download Ollama for your specific platform. Once it's downloaded, open Ollama. After that, we need to download the DeepSeek R1 model, which we can do by clicking the Models tab. Click DeepSeek R1. In this dropdown, you can select different versions of R1 to run. The better hardware you have, the better versions you can run. But in this example, I'll just select the 8B model. Copy the command, open terminal, paste in the command and hit enter. This is what it should look like once the model is done downloading. You should now see this message letting you know that you can interact with a DeepSeek R1 model. To test that it's working properly, we can just ask it a prompt like this. This is what the final response will look like. Here you can see its reasoning, and at the very end, this is the answer to our question. That is the end of this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.